Welcome back. Happy New Year. We're going to take a look at hooking up this this platform I use with the etrier style foot loops. Take a look. This is Walter. He's going to help. He's 8 months old today. So I got my 2-tether on this utility pole here. This bucket's just for weight because I'm not going to put my saddle on to do this. Makes it harder to film what I want to show. But I have the foot loops here hang down, and we'll go down there and show the hookup, the new hookup down there. It's simplified over what I had previously done, and then we'll show the other hookup at the top. So previously I had this line would come up through this hole and then tie to the stirrup up at chest level. But since I changed, I'm going to try these etrier style. I figured I would change the hookup. So what's going to be involved here is I'm going to put this bottom loop, or one of the loops, down through, and I have a stopper knot on this rope, and pulls through. And then when I weight it, it just does that. So now I have this, the rope comes through here, and I have a length of it here, and that would go around the tree. And I would do this. I wouldn't bend over to do this, and I don't climb up onto the stand. I drop this platform, I should say. I drop this platform down to my feet, and I drop it down like this initially. So as I come around the tree, and I'll be able to shorten this rope up with this new setup, but I'll come through this loop. It just controls this end and up through this hole like this, and I'll have I say I don't lean over to do this. I don't tie it on and then climb up to it. I drop it down to my feet when I'm at height. So this is the right stirrup, and I have the line from the right side of the platform, and I have this above this frost knot and form a loop, and I'll take this a bite in this line for the platform and pass it through here a little ways like that, and then on the working end, I'll take the working end around underneath. So this is the working end, the end of the rope. It's going to get shortened from what it is now, but I'll take that and I'll take a bite if I have to work around this stirrup, but I'll come underneath here, over the top here, and then put a bite through right here, and then weight it, and weight the platform. And that, I'll show the platform down here in a second, but that's it. That's the knot. So any adjustment I need in either side would be done with the friction hitches for each stirrup. So, and one a day, or I could just move the tethers themselves up or down on the tree. But once if my weight is on the platform, the easiest move is going to be right here. So I'd move these hitches up and down to get the balance right. So the only thing left now is to put my weight on the platform and tighten into the tree. And it never gets rock solid, but it always takes the drop this down a little bit. It always takes the angle of my feet, so it's very comfortable. And that's its primary function, is to take the pressure off my feet that I would otherwise feel through the stirrups. Maybe if I had wider stirrups, I might consider not using a platform at all. So that's the hookup. And I don't, when it's time to come down, the only thing remaining is to pull the working end of this line with the weight off. You get your weight off the platform and you pull that, and it's untied. And I can go immediately to into my rappel. I'll drop my lower tether down and have it follow along with me. The upper tether would stay where it was, and then I'll come down with this my foot in the right stirrup, and I'll collect everything. I'll get to the ground and I'll collect the platform. So when I get down to the base of the tree, after the rappel, everything's at the base of the tree. If I had my pack here, I would have had it hooked up to this left side stirrup line somewhere here, carabiner through this frost knot on the left, and I would just leave it there. It would come down with me. So as I'm picking everything up, I could have my pack hanging right here, right at waist level, wherever I wanted it. Makes pickup easier. And that's it. When I get a bit of a more dry day, a couple dry days, and I can get to some trees to climb, have a videographer, I can do a climb with this new setup and connect the platform and show the whole thing start to finish. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Happy New Year.